Okay, I'm going to go over the MIDI objects and show you how NeatTools can make music, and I'm also going to go over the keyboard modules. So let's start with the MIDI. I need two modules from the multimedia toolbox: the MIDI output, the first one here, and the MIDI object. And now I need a button and a switch. Okay, so let me connect up power up the MIDI output, and then I want to connect the MIDI object to the MIDI output. And the next thing I want to do is I want to stretch out this MIDI object. And the reason for that is when most modules have one input on the side, the MIDI object has tons of them. It has 128 different ones that represent all the different note values, and then it also has some extra ones for volume and the instrument and panning and things like that. So just forgetting those for the second, leaving them on their default settings, which I think is the piano instrument. I'm going to connect from the button to somewhere in the middle here, and now when I press the button, I hear a sound. And I can obviously connect this anywhere, and I can do multiple connections from one button. So I can have, let's say, another button that has a different like that. So you can see how you could build up little patterns of chords to start building songs with them. That's more than I'm going to do right now, but that should give you a good idea of the different things you can do with it. And just quickly, I'm going to show you the keyboard objects. Now there's a module here for everything on the keyboard and some extra stuff as well. So if I just start with, say, the lowercase q, I can run the output from that again to anywhere on the MIDI object, and now if I hit the Q button on my keyboard, it plays the note, and it will play it as long as I'm holding down the key. So I can play short or long notes. I can also run from the output to one of the buttons, so now I can control the button using the keyboard or by pressing it with the mouse. Okay, well, I think that's enough to get started, and I have got some other things to show you, so keep an eye out. Bye.